Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Zoom on your iPhone. First, open your Settings app and navigate to Accessibility. Tap on Zoom, then toggle the Zoom feature off. This is the most direct way to disable it. You can also use a three-finger double-tap gesture on your screen to quickly turn Zoom on or off. Remember to adjust your Zoom region and filter settings if you want more control over how Zoom behaves when it is active. Beyond simply turning it off, you can fine-tune Zoom's behavior. Within the Zoom settings, you will find options like Follow Focus. Turning this off prevents the screen from automatically zooming in on text fields when you are typing. You can also disable the Zoom controller, which is that small, movable joystick on your screen, for a less cluttered view. Additionally, you can set the maximum zoom level to limit how much your screen magnifies. If you are still experiencing issues with Zoom, a simple restart of your iPhone can often resolve minor glitches by resetting temporary settings. Always ensure your iPhone software is up to date, as updates frequently include bug fixes and performance improvements. If you primarily need larger text or icons without the dynamic magnification of Zoom, consider using the Display Zoom feature found in Display and Brightness settings for a more static, enlarged interface. To quickly recap, the primary way to manage Zoom on your iPhone is through the accessibility settings, where you can toggle it on or off and customize its behavior. Remember that a three-finger double tap is a handy shortcut to activate or deactivate Zoom instantly. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.